Bumper. To remove the bumper, you need to do as the following steps. 1. Turn the robot over and take off the 6 screws on the bottom rod and the rod. 2. Turn it over, loosen the cable port of the bumper and remove the bumper. 'How to put it back? 1. Connect the cables and the terminals of the bumper. 2. Put the bumper back to its original place and make sure it can spring back normally. 3. Turn the machine over again, pull on the rod and tighten the screws. Four. Turn the machine over again. Press lightly on both sides of the bumper. Make sure it can spring back freely.